Good afternoon and welcome to the Closing Bell. I'm Jane Searle from The Street on Wednesday, November 27. Today, markets ended higher on solid consumer confidence and employment data. Jobless claims were less than expected last week, while consumer confidence surveys beat forecasts in both the US and Europe. The Dow, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 all closed higher today. In corporate news, tech stocks showed healthy gains. Hewlett-Packard rallied after results beat expectations yesterday for one of the strongest rises in the S&P. Oil refiners were also higher. Marathon Petroleum and Valero both rose more than 3% as oil contracts indicated US companies were likely to maintain good prices for crude. Apple shares were up around 2% to the highest level since January. The waiting time for its iPhone 5S smartphones has reportedly been cut from 2 to 3 weeks to 3 to 5 business days. Earlier, I spoke with Derek Orth.
So Derek, the Nasdaq held well above 4,000 today. What's underpinning the strength in tech stocks, and where else do we see strength in this market?
I think what you're seeing is follow through from yesterday's price action. You're seeing stocks basically continuing their gains that make up the Nasdaq composite and tech stocks in general. And I think you're seeing that follow through here. And also you have the Dow Jones Transportation Average basically putting in levels that, basically closing high levels here. The S&P 500 as well, and the Dow really testing levels that, we're putting in higher highs and just testing these closing yearly highs still.
Okay. And how about small cap stocks?
The small caps have been doing really well. I think that'll give you a signal of overall confidence in the market. When the small caps are rallying, it gives an underlying confidence in the market in general, and it's kind of like a canary in a coal mine theory. If the small caps are kind of selling off, it's kind of a signal that maybe the market's losing a little bit of momentum. But right now they're showing upward momentum still, and that's giving the underlying strength here.
US markets will be closed tomorrow for Thanksgiving. On Friday morning, our John Marino will report live from the Nasdaq with all the overnight action from overseas. From The Street, I'm Jane Searle in New York.